All right, we're going to start with decorating a couple of little Christmas tree cookies here. I got a big one and a small one. Now naturally, as with any tree, you're going to want it to be green. So I'm going to take some of that green icing I made earlier. This is some of the shortening base, the thick icing. And just put a little bit on each cookie here. Obviously more so on the larger cookie than I would on the smaller one. Get on there. You're not going to want a whole lot, just enough to give it a little coat. And then you're going to grab a knife and we're going to spread the icing around on the cookie. And when you spread it, well, first you want to just get the coverage on there. Make sure you have enough icing. In this case, I don't. So just a little more. There we go. It's probably going to be a little too much, maybe. We'll see. And so once you get your icing all spread out where you want it, then you're going to concentrate on going like right to left, just to follow the contour of the tree. This also allows you to go all the way out to your edges. And you can see that, there we go. And you can see you have a nice little right to left pattern, so it follows kind of the visual contour of the tree. Let's go ahead and do the other one, the larger cookie. These are going to be exactly the same, except for, well, at least to start, except for the, like I said, the contours here. And when working with a larger cookie, you can actually be afforded a little more detail, which I'll show you in a second. So there's that, and you notice that I didn't put any icing on the trunk of the tree. It's because you need somewhere to hold it when you're eating it. At least that's my theory on it. So now what we're going to do is you got to have sprinkles, because it's just not a good cookie without sprinkles on it. And so we're going to kind of bolster our color, our green, with some green sprinkles. And we want to turn the cookie on its side and make sure we tap off any extras that we may have gotten. And you can see I made a little bit of a mess, but it's not that big of a deal.